Hello and welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to fill any shape with a picture right here in PowerPoint. But first, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell just in case you want to stay up to date when I post new videos like this. Alright, let's dive in. First, head over to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. You can pick any shape you'd like to fill, but for today, I'm going with the oval. Just click and drag it out onto the blank space on your slide. Next, right-click on your shape and go all the way down to Format Shape. A menu will open up on the right side of your screen. Under the Fill section, go ahead and select Picture or Texture Fill. Now, click on Insert, it might say File for some of you, and find the picture you want to use from your computer. Once you've got it, just click Insert. And there you go, your picture is perfectly tucked inside the shape. That's all for today's tip. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and share it around. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.